Welcome to the PBS User Video Series. My name is Mike, and in this video, we're going to give you a brief outline of what PBS does and how it works. PBS is a computerized, preferential bidding system that is used to construct monthly schedules for both line holders and reserve pilots. Bidders input their bid preferences into what are known as bid groups, which are processed by the PBS software to build lines for each pilot. Within each bid group, pilots are able to express their desires using a number of different commands. These commands allow bidders to define both general and specific characteristics for the type of line they would like to receive. The commands range from very general to very specific and give the bidder a great deal of flexibility. For example, a bidder could input a bid group which would only allow specific trips to be flown on specific days. Or they could input a bid group which indicates their willingness to fly any type of trip at any time during the bid period. Bidders are allowed up to 20 bid groups, so a bidder could bid both of these choices and more in whatever order they prefer. Bidders' bid groups are processed in order until one can be awarded. In the event that none of a bidder's submitted bid groups can be awarded, PBS follows a process that relaxes the restrictions of the final submitted bid group until a line can be awarded. Tools within PBS allow bidders to check their bid groups for errors that would cause a bid group to fail and to validate the feasibility of their bids. When PBS processes bid groups and makes awards, there are four main requirements that must be met. Each line must meet line construction credit range limits. It must comply with federal rest rule requirements. It must comply with all provisions of the UPA. And finally, PBS must be able to build legal schedules for every bidder. If PBS can meet all of the four requirements, then the bid group will be awarded. If not, the group will fail and the bidder's next submitted bid group will be evaluated. Following a bid award, bidders are provided with a reasons report that shows the disposition of all of the bidders' processed bid groups and provides a general reason why unsuccessful groups were not awarded. With PBS, each bidder is their own line constructor, and bidders are able to create very personalized line awards provided that the four requirements mentioned earlier can be met. That's just a brief overview of the United Airlines preferential bidding system and how it works. We invite you to view the additional videos in this series where we examine every aspect of PBS in detail to help you become more proficient in the system. If you have questions, please visit the forum at prefbid.com, where you can have your questions answered by pilot trainers who are experts in PBS. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.